real quick. And yeah, we're gonna see how this POV works out. You know? Ooh, this coffee about to smack. About to give me the shits. Why did you decide to do that? You're just like, it's time? Or no way.
I was like, that's a waste of money. So put them shits in no matter how bad it hurts.
Yeah.
I just had to wear them for like a couple days. Oh, they stole my car? That's crazy. Now I have to clean a rabbit.
Yeah. Yeah, after you see one that looks like yours, it's done.
Like identical, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Once I wear them for like a couple days, it'll stop hurting.
Guys, I need alignment. That's why I'm holding this shit kind of, you know, with two hands and shit.
There's people walking down there. Hopefully they'll pass like all the way out the end on the right. Like right where you drive, so hopefully they'll be gone by the time you go.
Should I park over there? POV. Coffee secured. Let's get it.
Smack me right in the eyeball.
Is what you're talking about? Alright, let's get this shit, yo. First gear pull.
I thought the curve came faster than it did. How fast did you hit right there?
I don't know, clue. No clue. It was not that. It was probably like 40.
There's no way.
Yeah.
40? Oh.
I don't know.
That was a car. Yeah, we're gonna get to Dutch.
coffee now, y'all. Why did I drink it like that? It was so weird.
What'd you do?
Shit. be in that position. And like I used to be like, holy fuck, that shit is so nice. Like, how does it feel to have like that insanely cool like build car, or like, you know what I'm saying, turbo car, or like that crazy NISMO, like, oh my, you know what I'm saying? So to be able to have that shit now, and it's like, this is mine, and it's been one of my dream cars for a minute, and to now be in the position that I see other people were in, it's kind of crazy. Like I think it's bittersweet though, because I think if you think it would feel better, but like once you own it, it's like, you know, it's not as cool, but it's still like you're grateful to have your dream car. Yeah, guys, that was cool. That was really nice of them. I hope he gets his dream car soon, you know, and he looks like he likes cars a lot. Like, he was hyped.
He's really waiting.
Hopefully he gets his stuff done soon. That cop was still there. I don't know if you've seen it. It's crazy because I did the pull right here, and he's one street over, sitting right there waiting.
That's crazy.
Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna enjoy this weather. We're gonna go eat, and we're gonna have an amazing day today. Amazing day. Fucking love this car so much. I keep going back from this and the TRX. I'm like, no, I love this more. And I'm like, nah, bro, the TRX is just perfect in every way. And I'm like, nah, bro, but this shit just hits, bro. Like, oh my god. The only thing I wish this shit has a little more power. I don't think it's fast enough.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
What's happening to me with that though? I used to like
I don't know.
the 300 horsepower. Oh fuck, sorry. The 300 horsepower on my stock VQ used to be so much for me. Do you remember that shit? Like, that shit was like,
Your red one?
yes,
Yeah.
like that shit used to feel so fucking insane. And
Yeah,
like,
that shit. I think it's once you drove the Beamer.
yes, I think
That's
it's
like what
once.
changed
Yes,
it.
I
No,
think.
because actually when we got to TRX, you even were like, oh, I don't think this is fully, like, this is fast.
Not fast enough, right? But when that's what I'm saying. I think it's when I got the Beamer. Because when I got the Beamer, remember I was like, oh, this shit's whatever when we tuned it, and then we put it on E50, and remember I did a pull going this way, and I was like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, but you got the BMW after the truck.
Yes, yeah, that's what
And
I'm
like
saying.
when we got the truck, you were already hesitant, like, oh, is this even enough speed? Like, it doesn't even feel that quick
Yeah.
sometimes.
Damn, so does that mean we were always just slow? Like, we were really slow?
Yeah.
Like, always?
I don't know, it doesn't seem like it. That's a really cool color. It's like shiny green.
Yeah. Because, like, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just thinking about it. Like, that Beamer, when that boost hits you, it's like, zzz. Like, even when Noah was driving it, it felt good. It feels faster when you're driving it, like yourself.
Oh, yeah.
But either way, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it felt good. Like,
Well, I think it's because, thank goodness, but he wasn't stepping on it.
he wasn't, yeah, I don't think he was full throttle.
And I am glad.
Yeah.
I shall not be in there with a full pedal. Unless it's a roll cage.
Yeah.
I will not be in there.
Yeah.
You will not be in there.
If I put this bitch up to like 800, I would put roll cage as well. Sorry guys, this is, you know, new technology. They're still working out the quirks of it. I want to take this bitch to get wrapped all interior Alcantara, like the McLarens. Think about how nice that shit'll look. All
Really
Alcantara.
good. No, really
Sheesh.
good.
That shit'll look so fucking good. I'm in love with your Mercedes steering wheel though.
Yeah, it's just,
I think that's probably the coolest steering wheel I've ever seen.
I think it's just because it's the emblem.
The emblem, the way it's like made, like ergonomically, like the flat bottom,
I love
like the
flip.
buttons, like bro, it's just, and then like this, the paint,
Ventilation.
what's it called?
Ventilation.
The leather, yeah, it's called perforated leather, I think. That shit just looks so beautiful.
No, that shit's really nice.
You know what's nicer though? Listen to this.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Look at the turbo spooling. It's so loud.
It is really good. But it's like, yeah.
It's so nice, y'all. Fucking love this shit, man. To all you motherfuckers that have a dream car, I was gonna do some motivational shit, but I was like, that shit sounds so whack. So I'm gonna just say lock in and, you know, stop being a little bitch and get your dream car. Stop complaining. Like Andrew Tate said, there's always someone doing 10 times worse than you. Stop complaining.
It says they do 3-inch subs here, so I'm gonna
3-inch hole punchers?
That's all I need though. I never finished a 6-inch.
Can't tell how far I'm gonna have to go, so I'm gonna stop right
I
here.
would not. You look like you're fine in the
Just
window.
a little bit.
Sure.
That was really far, man.
Smidgelous.
Alright, y'all. That was the POV. Deuces.